guys, and welcome to the latest JB's learning photography video. And today we have some special video coming up. We're gonna be making and finding the most stylish people on the street. The most stylish. And by the way guys, isn't this beautiful? This is Europe, Latvia, Riga, my hometown. This is the place where I live. And we're gonna be searching in this cold, freezing weather the most stylish people. Let's rock! Guys, I think I have found the first stylish person on the street. Let's go! Let's follow. Let's check it out, guys. I think this is really cool, by the way. You see this red girl? Let's make happen. Follow the John, follow the John, follow the John. Excuse me. You speak English? I think she's busy by now, but we're gonna wait and we're gonna find out if she's willing to take the free exclusive photo. Hello.
Hello, hello.
How are you? Come closer, please. Yeah, you speak English? You speak English?
说的我听不懂。
Okay, so basically, I have a question. You look really stylish. I like your look.
可以。
You have a fantastic look.
可以。
So, is it possible I can take a stylish photo for
哦，
you?
可以，怎么拍呀？我
Yeah?
们怎么拍呀？
Yeah. So basically, what you need to do, you can just come here. You can come here without this one. Yeah, just put it there. And I just want you to come. Yeah, please come. I'm gonna make a photo for you.
我听不懂。
Yes,
Yeah.
for free.
For free. It's for free. I just make a photo project for YouTube. I'm a famous photographer.
这往上走着往后跑。
Ah, you want to make this one? Okay. So it's from. Let's do it. Okay. I'm ready. Again. Come. Yeah, can you come here, please? And I just want. Ah, you're gonna make this one. Okay.
Yes, good,
Another
good.
one?
等一下，来拍一下吗？
One more, please. One more time.
哦，
Yeah, one more time.
太小了。
Fantastic.
Yes.
So thank you.
Yes.
And
Yes.
and if you want, I can send you the picture on Instagram
听
or
不懂。
you want? Fantastic. And you know what? I made a really special photo. Check it out. This is fantastic. So it's so easy. We are on the streets and we are finding the most stylish people. Looking around. Hello? I'm sorry, you have time? 1 second. You look really stylish with this orange jacket. I'm filming a YouTube project. I'm a professional Latvian photographer. And I would like to take one photo of you, is it possible, in this cool jacket? And I will send you the photo on Instagram and everybody happy, you know? Is it possible? Yeah, one picture, okay. So what we can do now, we can go now easily at the bench. So you stand like this, you know, and yeah, and try to not give a F about anything. Super.
Thank
So,
you.
yeah, no problem, and thank you. This is my second stylish person on the street in my hometown.
What about Instagram?
Yeah, Instagram. And this is how you gain the followers. In 2026, guys. I think I found the third one. Let's go and ask. Let's go and ask. What
Thank
a
you so
style.
much.
So we are back at the opera place, which I showed you at the video, start of the video. We're gonna make some photos over here. Just sit down and a little bit with the style, you know. You can put the leg like that, you can
Okay.
put arm like that.
I will try my
Like,
best.
feel as free as you can in this cold weather, you know, because it's not easy, by the way, guys, to pose in this cold weather. It's not easy.
Do we have the shot?
Yeah, you can just check.
Oh my god. Oh my god, these are amazing pictures.
Yeah, they're gonna be as well retouched. They're gonna be retouched and sent to the profile, because today we are
Amazing.
giving away beautiful photos for the most stylish people on the street.
Thank you so much.
And your name is?
My name is Liva.
Leave.
Viva. Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful.
guys.
We got already 3. Let's count how many we can find more before it gets dark, you know, because in winter time it gets fast dark. I'm really sorry. You have extra seconds? Because you look really stylish in this cold weather.
Yeah.
And we are doing a special project for YouTube. I'm a professional photographer in Latvia. I'm local one, and I'm making free mini photo shoot for the most stylish people in this cold, freezing weather, snowy weather, and I will be really happy to make some free photos for you. Is it okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah? Okay. Feel as free as you can. Can we make one more there? Yeah, it would be really nice if you could do like something like this. Something like this. You can check some pictures out.
Thank you.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
The green one looks really nice. Just stand and look great. Yeah, this couple wanted to take a photo at this club, but we are making a special project for YouTube to show people they can dress stylish in the cold weather. So instead of taking photo on your phone, I can make a professional photo on camera.
Okay. Okay.
Let's do it.
Let's
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Look at each other. Nice.
Okay.
So I think this is way better than on the
Yes.
phone, right?
Yeah,
Probably.
okay.
And follow me on Instagram. I will send you the retouch photo, and why not?
Okay.
Free photo is always good photo.
Fine.
This is cold. It's cold, freezing. But look at her. I think for me, guys, it's cold. But for the girl, let's go and ask her. She's cold. Hello? I'm really sorry for a question. We are making a special project for YouTube.
Oh, so nice.
Yeah, and I'm gonna
Yeah.
send you on Instagram or retouched ones,
Oh,
because
okay.
today is the free day for the
Oh.
stylish people. Why
Oh,
not?
really? Thanks.
And yeah, you're gonna post it on YouTube and show people that you can dress really cool even in the cold weather. That's how we do.
Yeah, sacrificing my body always.
So shout out to my channel. It's my brand new channel on YouTube.
Oh, really?
And I want to make the best best videos for people to learn photography with not only with lessons but some fun shoots as well.
Ah,
Yeah. So,
Sounds
nice.
good.
What's your
Nice.
name? What's your name?
Emily.
Emily. My name is John.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yeah. Walking down the street, walking down the street. Sorry. Thank you. Is it possible we can make a photo for you as well? Because we are today looking for the most stylish people on the streets, and I'm making a special project on YouTube to show the world the most stylish people can dress even in a cold weather. Yeah, is it possible? Yeah, so we can go to the park and take some few photos. I think it's really, we will retouch everything else.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Hello, excuse me for disturbing, but today we have a special day.
Yeah.
And the day is beautiful, right? It's snowy and nice. It's nice weather conditions. I know you had the baby over here, but I'm making a special project on YouTube to show people that you can dress stylish even in the cold weather. So basically, if it would be really nice if I could take picture of her, and yeah. So it's the day where you have a free photo for the stylish people. So all you need to do is just stand here, smile, be yourself, feel free. One close one. And one more. Yeah, you can check.
Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, super.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So I will DM you on Instagram, retouched one.
yeah.
They are just raw photos and they're gonna be retouched. And
Are your Instagram?
yeah. And if you have a YouTube as well, you can follow me on YouTube channel. I will be really happy.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah, my name is John, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your name?
Diana.
Running to the next one. Where is it? Where is it? Oh. Hello guys. I'm really sorry. I'm a local photographer and we're making a special project today of cool people on the streets in the cold weather. They can dress cool even in the cold weather. Because believe me, there are only few people that are dressed cool. Because it's freezing. And you're one of them. Is it possible I can take a photo, mini photo shoot, few minutes? Yeah?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, smile and shine. Now, cool. Yeah, you can do anything. Put like this or this, and just enjoy.
Great.
Yeah, why not? Because I think the people, the people who dress cool, they deserve professional photos for free. Why not? Yeah, thank you. My name is John, by the way.
Elia?
Yeah.
Ralph.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Rolf. Yeah, and thank you. I'm so cold. It's already been 3 hours outside, and this is a hell of an experience, right? Hello, I have a question. Es taisu YouTube speciālu video, priekš tā kā cilvēki var saģērbties stilīgi augstajā laikā. Un es būtu ļoti pateicīgs, ja mēs varētu uztaisīt pāris bildes stilīgas tev un uztaisīt pārtaisīt, pēc tam atsūtīt tev Instagramā. Yeah? So we'll do it. So I was speaking in Latvian, in local language about, she was asking what did I want. So I explained her that we're making a professional photo shoot. So yeah, let's go. Super. Tā. Viena tā. Tās nav gaismiņām. Very beautiful. So you can check.
Wow! Super.
Beautiful, right? Beautiful. So let's do some talking. The weather is cold, freezing, but we have found like 8, 9 beautiful people, stylish people, and we made them happy. So the message to the world is that we can think of something to make somebody happy, right? With doing something that you like. And for instance, this is photography, what I love to do. And if you love photography, I challenge you as well to go and find the stylish people on your location and make them happy, because you know, happiness is all we need. Now guys, we are not only taking photos of beautiful people, stylish people, we are taking photos of the stylish dog over there. Okay, take a look. Let's go and ask. Es atvainojos. Excuse me. You have a really stylish outfit. And you have a stylish outfit for your dog as well.
Yeah.
And is it possible I'm making a photography project, a video project for stylish people who dress stylish even in cold situations, cold weather. Ja vajag arī Latviju pateikt.
Mēs saprotam.
No, yeah, so basically, yeah, is it possible we can take few photos with you and your dog?
Nē, paldies.
2 photos, stylish photos, and I will send you professional retouched ones. You sure about that? You will see the pictures, so you will think different. It's a professional photos. You basically take 1 minute,
Nu labi.
and you can just come over here. Tā, pagaidi, tūlīt, viss kārtībā, smaidi. Perfect. Oh! Wow! Well. Oh! This is fantastic. This is something extraordinary, beautiful, and yeah, this is yeah. So you see, but one more. It just, the dog is so cute and the outfit is so lovely and nice. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, we had a fantastic 4 hours of making beautiful photos of most stylish people in my hometown Riga. I found 10 of them. We made beautiful pictures. We had a great time. It was freezing, it was cold, not for me, also for Dasha, which was filming. Biggest thanks to all 10 people which agreed to take photos, which had beautiful photos, and they will be send them on Instagram in DM. Really big thanks, and it shows you that it isn't as hard to ask somebody to take beautiful photos of, because you can ask and receive and make people happy. And of course there was one of the 10 ladies like Yuta which said like, oh no, thank you, no, I don't want, but in the end she had the, I think, so fantastic photos with her dog. So guys, really the biggest thanks. Subscribe to my channel, we're gonna make more big challenges, and I want you to comment down below what you want to see next, which challenge you want me to do, and I will make it. So subscribe, like and follow, and let's keep it going. 2026 we go viral.